Sagata suisuala tahanya ina baka hete wada pupodiyu ma pupodiyu akotami wada chomo puado ta ponyo apu
The Hen and the Beggar.
tawe pua kweline so powder.
Written by Saw Powder.
Okay. Awene baklela puna ta siwada ta blala so what plu apu e o bula kase ta kotinela le so what plu e oda pizza puadagala pizza puadaga e oda samo puadabe huda apo yebe nela awese a hi o yida so wa o sula sale so wa a nitinela.
Once upon a time in a quiet village near the mountains, there lived on an old woman, a mother hen, and 5 little chicks. Their house was at the far edge of the village.
Sunyana dawe batni ne ta phonyole asa o what to do head or tiwe chomu pua do aphonela ta phonyo e ma tim sokota da pizza pua somu pua khuda sha phonela ta phonyo ge lokwe da chomu pua khuda chapo da nikle nila.
One day, a hungry beggar came by and saw their mother hen and her little chicken. The sneaky beggar made friends with the old woman, the hen, and the chicks. All day long, the beggar and the chicks played.
Balera chunyana tawadi ma tumu hala de sune tate wada la ta ponyo sikwa we o chomo pwa de na e tu kami phale chomo pwa chi sho yete piana de se ba mele na ko opwa kholo ta ponyo si we plo kwe so ko khudo na do ni nya lo chua mo pua te edo resele atisoko a so I apoko bada the nani se kota ponyo ba sa si sewe pakamila pakapu akapanelo.
In the village, in the evening, the beggar asked, "Oh, mother hen, where will you sleep tonight?" The mother hen replied, "I can't tell you, because you will eat us, but we played all day," said the beggar. Mother hen didn't want to be rude to the new friend, but she did not trust the beggar. She said, "We will sleep by the fire."
Beklesu asod bana dewadi du ta kilo de su chomo puado apo ta pha le mi le te ki kho le ayi da pha pulo.
When it was dark, the mother and hen and the little chicks slept high on the shelf away from the fire.
Ebeleta chunya de pa dewadi ta ponyo hawa ke yo diso pisa puasu tana hu te ri awolo awe ha hunu tawa le pakapu akapamele awe sawi asa do mado edo awe chole hata o awana lo.
The beggar crept in quietly to the old
Padodo.
woman. Wouldn't hear him. He sniffed all around the fire because he was very hungry and he wanted to have some chicken for dinner. He could not find the mother hen and her chicks.
Awe hakuwe chomo puado apo the baba. Imo.
Gipawali.
Lan pawi. La. Awe haku the baba chomo pua. Le ma. Chunyan the dawadi. Do miss he water the suit upon your sequel. Oh, chomo pua. Menakernale o pele and mi pele. Yahusu the baba. Chomo pua as he ole. The miller the kikola. Awe se gelo que. The sikuzu da the nuclear law. The siwada la tu muhalo the su. The ponyo si kwa we chomo pua. The nai. Sukami pele. Chomo pua desi of the camille he polala.
In the morning he asked, "Oh, Mother Hen, where did you sleep last night? I could not find you." The mother hen told the beggar, "We slept on the shelf for the rest of the day." The beggar and the chicks played hide and seek.
Like. But le chunya the planet. Dawadi. Ta nane ta siwada le ta ponyo le huwe chomo puedo apollo he apolla ne lo. Basado huwe the baba.
That night the beggar went under the house to look for the mother and the hen and her chicks. Still, she couldn't find them.
Awe huwe huwe the balantia. Kepler chunya the tone dawadi. Do miss he water the su. Ta ponyo si kwa we o chomo pua. Menaka su le mi pele yahusu the baba. Da chomo pua te se ole the mile da lu ti lolo. Awe gelo kwe ta lu lo sado the niya. I saw a dot of blood long.
In the morning, the beggar asked, "Oh, Mother Hen, where did you sleep at last night? I couldn't not find you." The hen replied, "We slept in the wash area that day." The beggar and the chick played tag.
Do muhalo the suda ta ponyo sikwa we chomo pua. The night took a lemika dot pet a lot of topele. Chomo pua desi ole, pecamilo wapopulo.
In the evening, the beggar asked the hen, "Where will you sleep tonight?" The mother hen replied, "We will sleep in the bamboo jug."
Kaya chinya to. Tata nane ta siwada le ta ponyo le tiwada le chomo pua. A pole wapopulo. Awe haku wet baba. Awe sa wisa domado. Awe su dosa ploto. We ชอมปวดอโพอโคเสเตวเลก็คือเวดูอบะลอเลคือเวชูผักปูเลคือเวชูตะกี้โคเลคือเวชูฮิพอละเลคิกเตเนเลคือเวเลตาลูทีลอลอเวตทีชอมปวดอโพnot the blood
That night, the bagger looked for the mother hen and her chicks in the bamboo jug. He did not find them. He was very hungry and very angry. So he decided to keep looking. He decided to keep looking. He looked by the fire. He looked on the shelf. He looked under the house. Finally, he looked in the wash area. He still couldn't not find the mother hen and her chicks.
กว่าละตะพอนอยู่หาคู่the blood เนี่ยหาคู่the blood แกตัวเล็กที่เนี่ยเราตัวนั้นตัวดีชอมปวดอโพอคือสุเวลที่ลูกสะเคยอโกปุนี่เหรอชอบพปีตะบิสิบะอโมเยเอโดกเชอโมเตอตะบะกเชดือนเมกเชนี่ตะพอนยกสิญาเลเป็นมีเพอีเหรอชอบพปีปลีตาดก็กเชเวดานี่เหรอ
The hen and the chicks were hiding inside a large dry ground. One of the chicks said, "Mommy, I want to sneeze." The mother hen said, "Don't sneeze. If you sneeze, the bagger will know we are here, sleeping here." The young chick was scared and held into his sneeze. ชุญญาตะวดีตะพญเลอาสาวิอาสาตติอิเสคูกว่าเวชมปวดพลเลบูทาเวดทีลูสะเฮเดเซบาเดเซดชมปวดพปลิตาดมาเนล The hungry bagger was still looking for the hen and her chicks and getting closer to the ground. The mother hen and her chicks were getting very nervous. Like the junior Dawadi. Chopo pi chigado we momo ye dog chair a mote or no ke chair the seba no make chair ne taponyo ke na hunina la chopo pi ko asa ke chair ke dog we ba lo ba sa chopo pi anade ko kui ba asa ke chair do ma ho si kwa da momo ye edo ke chair a mote che or Shh, 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 shh. The little chick said again, "Mommy, I have to sneeze." The mother hen said, "You can't sneeze. If you sneeze, the bagger will hear you." The little chick fell into the sneeze. But the little chick's nose really itched and he really had to sneeze. So he said, "Mommy, I have to sneeze." The mother hen replied, "Shh, shh, shh."
ta pho nyo na hu cha pho pi ka tu da da amo a kho a we he ka ya bu tho da ti lu sa khi the play la
The beggar heard the little chick talking in the mother hen and he creeped closer and closer to the ground.
phe ta pho nyo he tu bu tho ti lu sa khi the play ne a su ka to cha pho de bi te tho ka da we mo mo yo ko ka che de ni le ba ye ba sa ka che li sa tu ka la a we ka che tho we ha chu đó ti lu sa khi bo pha da we the blue kin ne la
As the beggar came closer to the ground, the little chick said, "Mommy, I can't hold this anymore. Ha, 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 chew!" The ground exploded into many pieces.
ta pho nyo phu tho we da khi ku we da le a yin ne la a we ka me ka ma da a we so ko mo de ba le we phe le a su ka to a ka to a kho ba ti da da ti bo ne la
The beggar jumped up and ran away too startled to watch where he was going. The beggar crashed into a post and hit his head.
phi sa bwa na hu ta ke che so da phu si no tho a sa ne la a we hi tho ta pho nyo da de lo ta pho nyo le se pu pu da pho tho we ne la
The old woman woke up when she heard a sneeze. She scooped up the beggar, threw him in the stew pot, and cooked him up.
cho mo bwa da a pho ye be e mi ba ke we mu ku da da ba pli ba pu ta pho nyo le ba le mare pya ba
The mother hen and her 5 little chicks went back to bed and slept soundly, not worried about the beggar anymore.
Papu na ka te fe la na papu da khai ne a ta do ma pa kwa ra ke po mu la mi sa te ni nya ne kwa da ke la na pa ti so ko da le ne ke bu du da se pi bo ha po da le ne ke bu du da se la na ko ne ta mu la pe le kho po ko de di pe me ha ko po a so da pa kwa da ke ta u ta so ke a wa water pe la ko ne pu e pe la su ki na ki ya pa ne na pa ka hi kha sa ya po pu ne ka te pe la na ta du ma ya su bye bye